In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Revolut bank app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, if you're trying to install this app but you're unsuccessful, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to go back and look for your Play Store app, and you want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail before you download the app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon here and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences. Tap on it and go to app download preference. Here you can see it is currently set to over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network. By doing so, you'll be able to download apps via the current network you're connected to. Now turn on your mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi to install the app. However, if you're still unable at this point, then most likely the problem is with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot it by going to settings, and from settings look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, search for Play Store, and now if I tap on it, we are on Play Store app info page. Here, go to for stop app and OK, and finally clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Play Store, activate search and search for Revolut. Now I'll run search. And here we have our app. Now if I tap on install, now you can see I'm now able to download and install Revolut app. However, at this point, if you still can't, then check and then see if you have any VPN app installed on your smartphone and install it to fix this. You also want to make sure you have enough space on your phone, and to do that you need to free up space by deleting unwanted files or apps that you no longer use to create more space. Let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.